do that. Not right now. His little butt slam that he does.
That would not be good.
No.
That would not be good.
He really would have got into Memorial Lake. He would have walked right in.
Well, he figured out his footing. That's for sure.
Yeah, he is. He's doing it all by himself.
He's doing really well.
Dude, I think we have a river guide on our hands.
Watch where he's going. He's trying different roads. Whoa!
Oh, you want to wipe your hands off on me? You ready to go? Ready to go bye-bye? Yeah. Okay.
The best playground ever.
Apparently.